Morning. Today we ride from Ulu Yam to Gohtong Jaya. Now heading to the meet-up point. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. Now heading to Gohtong Jaya. What a lovely climb. If not wrong, it's about 1.5 kilometers. Never ride here before, so just steady, follow my pace. Now the speed is just about 10 kilometers per hour. This is the route option. You can go Gohtong Highland from the north. Can you hear that? Usually this route is a lot of cyclists, biker, and car. Oh. Today's Sunday, so the car not so many. So I think because of during Ramadan, Hari Raya Puasa is coming. Okay, I see the little rock in front. I think it's close to the border. So here is the border between Selangor and Pahang. After you cross here is Gohtong Jaya town, and then you can continue to Gohtong Highland. Now waiting other friends. Home to wash my bike. Bye bye.